Good job, my sunshine. She's having a bath. She's having a bath. Huh? Good job, my sunshine. And eat again. All gonna stick in your beak. It's wet. Ash, ash. Sunshine. Shh. Stuck in your beak, dal. Usay. Usay. Hi, baby. You done with the swing? He's in the swing earlier. Hello, my baby. See, their cage is small. We're about to buy them a big one. Every time we come down in here, they should have a big one, but I'm too tired grabbing all this stuff today. So I don't have time to grab them a big cage. This is their travel cage. And we have a big cage at home, but we're not at home. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Hide from the sun, yes, peekaboo. Hide from the sun. You done in the swing? Probably if I go back to the swing, he'll go back to the swing. He likes that. That's pop-up. That's floppy. Pop-up. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to my chair. Bye. Keep eating. Keep eating. Hi, you handsome boy. Hi. Who's Mama's handsome boy? Who's Mama's handsome boy? Hey, Mama's handsome boy. Hi. Hi, say, you Mama's handsome boy. Ito mas Mama's handsome boy. Are you Mama's handsome boy? Say, say. Okay? Ito na. It's Mama's handsome. Sunshine. Mama's pretty girl. Shh. Sunshine. Mama's pretty girl. Come on. Mama, take a picture. Shh. Ay, go. Come on. Come on. Shh. Sunshine. 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 Mama. Shh. Hello, baby. Shh. Sunshine. Mama's pretty girl. This is Mama's pretty girl. Oh, is it Dad? Dad. Hi. If it's Dad, you say hi. Dad. 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 She always react if I say Dad. Dad. She said, ah.
What you done? What you done? What you done?
Dad. Dad. Ash. Dad.